Everybody shall get free lava cakes, except for me.
Nice, lava cakes.
That's good, lava cakes. Oh, but not for him.
He's crying.
That's sad.
Sons will be recalled from war and be reunited with their families, except for mine.
Boy, stop crying. We can't hear the news.
No longer will the king bed anyone's brides to be on their wedding night, except for mine. My wedding is tomorrow.
I wish he would stop crying.
Yeah, it's really
He's really
inconvenient.
annoying.
No longer will the king's peasants be force-fed their foreskin, except for me.
Were they taking off the foreskins and eating them?
It didn't happen to my son.
I never saw that.
These have been today's announcement.
Scootin' dude.
Scooting.